So we are here with Matt from the manufacturing industry, and you guys are a machine shop to be specific, but thank you, Matt, for your time today. When you think of Intelecis, what's the first word that comes to mind?
For Intelecis, proactive.
Before Intelecis, what was the biggest issue or challenge that your business was dealing with?
Yeah, before Intelecis, we were challenged with organizing and maintaining our computer and technology systems. So
For sure.
that was our biggest challenges over the years, was as we continue to grow, is how to keep all of that governed and organized. Intelecis provided us knowledge with the means to organize our system as well as develop good habits and technology hygiene. They also are able to ensure us with those techniques and policies. Really gave us the reassurance that we needed in order to move forward and know that with all the amount of people that we have, that we will have protection as well as organizational skills that can facilitate that.
Awesome. Thank you again.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.